Getting an 8 on IELTS is easier said than done. But with right amount of practice and proper techniques, it's totally achievable. It's a simple technique that I used for almost around 20 days during the practice session that helped me achieve my score of 8 on IELTS. So let's dive in. On the listing, we know that we have four different sections, section A, B, C, and D. You just need to focus on section A and section D. I'm going to walk you down with an example. So I have taken up a question paper and you can see it's a section D. And there is also a timer that runs on the side of it. So when you get the question paper, the first thing that you need to do is quickly open up the section D and run over it so that you have a basic understanding of what's the topic that's being covered under section D. So why it is so important to skim through the section D is because section D is the most toughest out of the lot. So the more familiar we are to the topic and questions, the much easier for us to answer them up and pay close attention to the facts that gets played on section D. Like for example, as shown, within just about like 10 seconds, I could make it out that it's all about the Great Wall. So you can see that section A is almost like self-explanatory, as in like even if you miss one or two sentences in the audio tape, you can pretty much fill it all by yourself by some guesswork. But when you get to section D, the questions become harder. And if you have no idea about what's being discussed, then you get lost. So I hope this helps. Good luck to each and every one of you who is going to take up the IELTS exam. And it's not a big deal. With practice, you can definitely make it. Good luck. Bye-bye.